Hello everyone, welcome to Exam B. Last year 2019, RBI transferred 1.76 lakh crore rupees to Government of India from its surplus, and this year 57,000 crore rupees, which is the lowest in last 7 years. But at the same time, RBI's balance sheet has expanded by 12 lakh crore rupees, which is a 30% increase in the balance sheet. What is causing this? Do you remember that Jalan Committee recommendations about transfer of the surplus from RBI to Government of India? What about those recommendations? Why RBI is increasing its contingency fund reserve? We discussed in the other video. Now in this video, let us understand from where RBI is getting this expansion of balance sheet and whether this is really helpful. Can RBI do it furthermore? Let's first have a look at the balance sheet. This is RBI's balance sheet as on 30th June. You can see here, and the amount is in billion, which is like 100 crore. So the balance sheet size, you can see it is 53 lakh 34,000 crore. Of course, it will match with assets and liabilities, which is 12 lakh 31,888 crore. More than the last time, you can see almost 30% increase in the balance sheet. 2 years back, Government of India was behind RBI to transfer more money. There were many other issues. Went to the level that Governor RBI Dr. Urjit Patel, he resigned. He said it is personal reason, but we all know the rift between Government of India and RBI. And then Bimal Jalan Committee, Dr. Bimal Jalan is ex-RBI Governor and Member of Parliament. That committee has been formed and it suggested that RBI's surplus shall be transferred to government in tranches over 3 to 5 years. After the committee's recommendation, RBI transferred 1.76 lakh crore to Government of India, and in this 1.76 lakh crore transfer, 52,000 crore came from the surplus reserve, because Jalan Committee came out with the calculation how much reserve RBI shall keep. If you go to the story there deep down, that was covered again in all important newspaper. In this 1.76 lakh crore, that 52,000 crore came from the contingency fund, which is the biggest fund in the RBI balance sheet. The other funds are currency and gold revaluation account and asset development fund. Let us understand briefly all these, and more important, what is happening today that is causing the expansion of the balance sheet by going to the balance sheet numbers. And here comes an exciting offer for you if you are interested in making your career in RBI, SEBI, NABARD. I have already made a detailed video that 70% of the syllabus is similar for all these exams, and only at Exam B you get an expert faculty. Those who have cracked these exams, faculty separate for phase 1 preparation, phase 2 preparation, whom you meet in your daily life classes. Now again have a look at the balance sheet of RBI. If you see overall, let's say start from liability side, note issued, you can see here 4.7 lakh crore. These amounts are not required for any exam. I am telling you, not even the total amount, but you have to understand how the economy works and what the central bank. RBI is a central bank. You have to remember it again and again. This is not like any other bank. The balance sheet also is very, very different. So see here, 4.7 lakh crore liability increased because of the increase in the notes in circulation. Please understand, notes in circulation is a liability for Reserve Bank of India. I have made a video on this transfer of 73,000 crore to contingency fund. You can go to that. These liability increase in note issues because of the public holding more currency today in crisis situation. In fact, maybe first time after many years, I was also keeping some cash, expecting maybe anytime the ATM also not working. Why note is a liability for RBI? Remember this line, I promise to pay the bearer the sum of rupees 20 in this case. Governor makes this promise that holder of this currency note. So if you understand, currency note is not money. Money is an idea. So that can be an entry in your wallet, in your bank account, digital money, or it can be a currency paper. RBI is giving a guarantee. Governor is signing. If you hold this piece of paper, so the liability is of RBI. This liability has increased by 4.7 lakh crore here, because you and me, everybody is holding more currency today. And then you can see increase in the deposits and other liabilities and provisions. Let me show you the details of this. You will see the maximum increases here in case of the deposits. These are basically reverse repo transaction. Those who are following the market must be knowing there is excess liquidity in the system. RBI was continuously declining the interest rate by reducing the repo, but still banks are parking money with RBI at reverse repo, which is reflected here. About 4.1 lakh crore increase there, and then you can see the increase here in case of the currency and gold revaluation account, about 3.5 lakh crore here. And I have already explained you the increase in the contingency fund that RBI did, 73,000 crore. So last year RBI took money from the contingency fund. Last year means 2019, when it transferred money to Government of India, 1.76 lakh crore. But in the last RBI year, that can be an exam question. RBI year is from July to June. Right now this is there, you can see the balance sheet is on June 30th, 2020. Because first RBI wait for all other companies and banks to prepare their statement and needs 3 months to prepare RBI statement. This is very contrast to what happened last year. Last year means if you compare 18, 19 and 1920, so 1920 RBI increased the contingency fund. This I have explained separately, but the expenses have happened in 3 places. Increase in the note circulation, deposit from bank in form of the reverse repo, and this currency and gold revaluation account. In all this, what RBI has done? Gold revaluation, the price of the gold is appreciating, so value of the gold is appreciating. Market phenomena. Note issues, because of the corona, we all holding more currency. Market phenomena. And reverse repo also, because banks have no avenues to lend, so they are parking money with RBI. So I am explaining you why this balance sheet increase has happened. And similarly, you can see this says on the asset side, these are the scheduled, the details of that. These investment in foreign securities, RBI forex is increasing. I have again explained the reason for that. So here just see this, that increased forex reserve with RBI has been invested in foreign securities. Mostly RBI invest in US securities. So 7.6 lakh crore also increased here, and RBI has invested also in the government securities in India. So here also about 1.8 lakh crore increase in the investment in India, and then you will see a significant increase of close to 2.9 crore here in advances to banks, commercial bank. One side commercial banks are parking money in reverse repo with RBI, but other side they have also taken money from RBI. This is in form of LTRO and TLTRO. We have explained that you. What is LTRO and TLTRO? Go to the concerned video. This money is longer term. That is the major difference. You will feel otherwise why one side bank is taking money from RBI, other side they are keeping money with RBI, and RBI is doing operation twist. So for 3 reasons here, there is increase in the asset side also. What does it mean? This summary is important to understand because all transactions are not required. Larger balance sheet of the central bank means there is more money supply in the system. So this means there is more money supply into the system, which is actually required at this point of time. It can be in form of the notes coming in my pocket or your pocket, the currency notes, or maybe the money RBI is giving to bank in form of the TLTRO or LTRO. So that is also ultimately happening in the more money supply into the system, which is required at this point of time to boost the economy. Second point, central bank of other major economies are also increasing money supply by quantitative easing. If you see today, US is actually struggling to keep the inflation high. So they are also again going to do more quantitative easing so that there is more money into the system. When there is more money into the system in US, what will happen? There will be more inflow in countries like us where interest rates are comparatively higher. There is more comfort to the market that they can still invest in India. So more dollar inflow will come in India. Then RBI has to absorb this, which will increase the forex reserve of RBI. This is a market phenomena. This is happening in the other countries also. And this expansion of balance sheet is therefore may be required at this point of time. Even if less surplus is passed to the government of India, but ultimately RBI is helping in the agenda of the growth by expanding the balance sheet, and this is what most of the developed economies are also doing. In fact, RBI has more room to play there because our balance sheet, our central bank's balance sheet is still not that much expanded if you consider the size of the economy. Hope this video helps you. Please like the video and share. iExamB is the place which makes government exam preparation easy for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.